Scene script. Have you ever wondered why some people always seem to have money while others struggle paycheck to paycheck? Let's paint a picture here. Meet Alex and Sam. Both work the same job with the same salary, but there's a key difference between them. Alex is always scrambling to pay his bills at the end of the month, while Sam seems to be financially comfortable, even managing to put some money aside. So, what's the secret? Is Sam just luckier? Does he have a hidden stash of money somewhere? No, the difference lies in their approach to money management. Alex lives in the moment, spending his income as he sees fit, with no real plan or budget. He's often caught off guard by unexpected expenses and finds himself living paycheck to paycheck. On the other hand, Sam understands the power of money management. He knows his income and expenses like the back of his hand. He plans, budgets, and makes informed decisions about his spending. He's also prepared for unexpected expenses and doesn't get swept off his feet when they come along. Now, money management doesn't mean living a life devoid of fun or luxury. It's about understanding and controlling your financial situation. It's about making choices that align with your financial goals and values. It's about being prepared for the unexpected and not letting it derail your financial stability. Think about it. With proper money management, you can pay your bills, save for the future, and still have money left over for the things you enjoy. It gives you financial freedom, reduces stress, and offers a sense of security. It's like having a financial safety net that catches you when life throws a curveball. Moreover, money management is not a one-time task. It's a lifelong commitment that requires constant review and adjustment as your income, expenses, and financial goals change. To sum it up, managing your money effectively is like steering your own ship. You decide where it goes, how fast it sails, and what course it takes. It's about making informed decisions that ensure a smooth and secure financial journey. As seen in this scenario, money management is not just about saving. It's about making informed decisions about your income. Did you know that the way you manage your money should evolve as your life changes? It's a profound truth, yet often overlooked. Let's delve into how your financial strategy should adapt to different life stages. Imagine you're a bachelor fresh out of college. Your financial focus should be on creating a budget to manage your newfound income. It's also a great time to start saving for the future. Picture John, a young software engineer. John prioritized creating a budget and saving. This early financial discipline now allows him to enjoy his hobbies without the stress of living paycheck to paycheck. Fast forward a few years and you're newlyweds. Now your financial strategy should consider your shared goals. Meet Emily and Tom, who started their married life with a financial plan. They prioritized paying off their student loans, saving for a home, and building a retirement nest egg. Their shared financial vision helped them avoid disagreements and achieve their dreams. As parents, your financial strategy shifts again. Now the focus is on providing for your children and planning for their future. Consider Lisa and Robert, parents of two. They started saving for their children's education early and even managed to set aside a fund for unexpected expenses. Their proactive approach has given them peace of mind, knowing their children's future is secure. Finally, as a retiree, your financial strategy should be about managing savings and investments to provide a comfortable lifestyle. Look at Helen, a diligent saver throughout her working years. Helen invested wisely and is now enjoying her golden years without financial worries. Each of these stories underscores the importance of tailoring your financial strategy to your life stage. John, Emily, and Tom, Lisa and Robert, Helen, they all faced different financial challenges and found solutions that suited their life stage. Remember, what works at one stage may not work at another. Always adapt your financial strategy to your current life stage. What would you do if you suddenly lost your job or faced a hefty medical bill? That's a question no one likes to ponder. Yet, it's a situation that can happen to any of us at any time. This is where an emergency fund comes into play, serving as a crucial buffer against life's unexpected curveballs. Imagine this scenario. You're living comfortably, your bills are paid on time, and you're even managing to put a little aside for that dream vacation. Then, out of the blue, your car breaks down. The repair costs are substantial, and your vacation fund won't cover it. Without an emergency fund, you might be forced to borrow money, perhaps on a high-interest credit card, plunging you into debt. On the other hand, if you had an emergency fund, you could dip into it to cover the unexpected expense. You're able to pay for the repairs outright, avoiding the need to borrow money and the stress that comes with debt. This is the power of an emergency fund. It provides financial security during unforeseen events, giving you peace of mind and the freedom to focus on rebuilding rather than worrying about how you're going to make ends meet. Building an emergency fund isn't about setting aside huge sums of money all at once. It's about consistency and making regular contributions, no matter how small. Consider automating your savings so a portion of your income goes directly into your emergency fund. Over time, these contributions will add up. How much should you aim to save? Financial experts generally recommend having enough to cover 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This might seem like a daunting goal, but remember, it's not a race. Take it one step at a time. And before you know it, you'll have a financial safety net ready to catch you when life throws you a curveball. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. Start building it today, no matter how small the amount. Because when it comes to your financial well-being, every little bit counts. How do you envision your retirement? Will you be financially secure and comfortable? Picture this. You're basking in the sun, sipping on your favorite drink, with no worries about bills or expenses. Sounds like a dream, right? That's the power of effective retirement planning. Starting early is key. Think of it as a marathon, not a sprint. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow, thanks to the magic of compound interest. Imagine the snowball effect, where a small snowball rolls down a hill, gathering more snow and growing larger as it descends. That's what your investments can do over time. Now, let's talk about various investment options. First, we have mutual funds. These are a pool of funds collected from many investors for the purpose of investing in securities like stocks, bonds, and other assets. They're managed by professional fund managers, making them a good option for those who may not have the time or expertise to manage their investments. Next, we have fixed deposits. A fixed deposit is a financial instrument provided by banks which offers a higher rate of interest than a regular savings account. It's a safe bet, especially for those who prefer a low-risk investment. Finally, there's the option of pension funds. These are investment plans that help you accumulate a portion of your earnings for your retirement years. Typically managed by the government or a private company, these funds provide a steady income post-retirement. For inspiration, let's look at a few success stories. Meet John, who started investing in mutual funds in his 20s. Thanks to his early start and consistent investments, he's now comfortably retired and travels the world. Then there's Maria, who opted for a pension fund and fixed deposits. Today, she enjoys a steady income and lives a worry-free life. Remember, the goal of retirement planning is to ensure that you can maintain your desired lifestyle even when you stop working. So, start now, plan wisely, and look forward to a future of financial freedom and comfort. Retirement may seem far off, but starting to plan now can make all the difference. It's never too early to start. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? That's the question we've been exploring today, and it's a big one. We've covered an array of topics, each one a stepping stone on your path to financial security and independence. Let's take a moment to revisit what we've learned. We started by understanding the power of money management, how it can shape your life and future. It's not just about the numbers, it's about the choices you make, the habits you form, and the goals you set for yourself. Next, we delved into life-stage financial planning. We acknowledged that your financial needs and strategies change as you navigate through different life stages. Whether you're a bachelor, newlywed, parent, or retiree, each stage presents its own unique challenges and opportunities. We then discussed the importance of an emergency fund. This safety net is your financial shield against unexpected expenses or income loss. It's recommended to set aside 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Remember, it's not about saving a large sum overnight, but building it gradually and consistently. Our journey also took us through the realm of retirement planning. We stressed the need to start early and explored different investment options, including mutual funds, fixed deposits, and pension funds. Your future self will surely thank you for the efforts you put in today. We've covered a lot of ground today, but this is just the beginning. The key is to start implementing these money management tips one at a time. Don't overwhelm yourself. Start with one strategy, master it, then move on to the next. And remember, consistency is the secret sauce to financial success. Stay tuned as we continue this journey, providing more financial advice to help you navigate your financial landscape. We'll share more real-life stories, answer your questions, and provide practical insights to help you make informed decisions. Remember, managing your money effectively can open the door to financial freedom. Start today and watch your future transform.